Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and exciting road moments scored on Java's Dashcam. Today's episode, well, we'll kick it off with a crazy crash, or should I say, a hit and run situation, in which the camera got hit head on by a crazy pickup truck driver. Check this one out. There are all sorts of reckless and careless drivers out there on the road, and in this video we'll see a semi-truck driver who changed lanes without bothering to look, and of course he caused his fellow semi-truck driver to get off the road completely.
Skill of my wireless operator, I set course for the Westerland sector. Only for a brief second did I dare to look outside. Wisps of cloud passed by my wings, and as far as I could see, there was nothing but cloud and more cloud. My variometer showed a steady climb of 9 feet per second.
God damn it!
The airspeed indicator oscillated peacefully between 200 and 215 miles.
Here we have a self-entitled Audi driver who forced his way in front of a busy roundabout.
Bye. Yeah, you just ran a red light, you moron.
And trying to cut the corner. Brilliant, buddy.
Brought in African players, of course African players knowing that they would play in the African Cup of Nations, and then of course complaining when it came to that time, you know, knowing that they wouldn't have them. So I think
have you had that this time?
We have a road rage situation in which one driver was obviously in a hurry. He was in such a hurry that he cut the camera off and for no reason flipped him off. Check this one out. Some drivers need to put some serious thought into getting back into driving school classes, because driving like this is totally unacceptable.
What's he stopped for? What the f? Some people, what are they doing? Oh, what's he doing? Is he in France or is he in the UK? He's in the middle lane. Shouldn't laugh really, it's not funny, is it? I mean, is he drunk?
Yo estoy malito, mamá. Ahorita apenas antes de acostarse le embuto acetaminofén y le voy para la tos.
Bueno,
Ay,
bueno. Damn, ahí dice stop. Ahí dice stop, idiot.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.